To do the assignment today in class, you first need to go to the link that's provided on MyMCPS Classroom, and it's also provided in the PDF worksheet. When you go to that link, it should take you to a site that looks something like this, and you're going to have to download or install the Java plugin. So go ahead and just click on that play button, and you should get something that wants you to download. You want to keep that file, and when it's finished downloading, simply open up or run it. It may be slightly different for computers at school. When you do that, you're going to see an install window. Mine's not showing on this screen, but you will see an install process take place, and after it's installed, you should see the game. And this screen is a way for you to practice using the game. So for example, you have two items, an iron block and a brick block, and then you have a jar of water. And you are able to put that water on top of these heating and cooling elements, and if you'd like, you can put a thermometer in there, and then when you apply heat to it, you should see that the thermal energy is being transferred into the water, and naturally then you can see the temperature rise. You can also click on this energy symbol that gives you a visual on how the energy is being transferred from one form to another, and you can also apply temperature to the solid bricks. So naturally, if we take the brick and we put it in hot water, what's going to happen to the temperature of the brick? The temperature of the brick is going to rise, and notice the temperature of the water is cooling. But then we can heat that up. So this just gives you a little bit of practice dealing with the game. Okay, you can also cool it down. And what happens if we take this cold piece of iron and stick it in the water? It cools the water down. Okay, so when you're comfortable with that, then click on the Energy Systems tab, and this is where you actually start your work. If you turn on the valve, you'll notice that the mechanical energy of the water falling starts the wheel turning, and then there is a generator in here, and then we produce electricity, which makes this electric burner run, and naturally it heats up the water. What if we change the burner with a light bulb? If we slow down or stop the mechanical energy of the falling water, we no longer generate electricity. If we put it halfway, we only generate half the amount of electricity. And of course, if we put it on full speed, we generate the most. Okay, so your job is to go through the steps that are laid out in this PDF. Okay, and answer these questions. Now keep in mind, don't forget, you have to download the file first and save it to your My Documents folder. If you don't, you will not be able to save your work. Okay, this is not due today, so when you're done, just keep the file. We'll continue working on it later on in the week when I come back. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.